what looks like a blur that's actually blowing snow from the blizzard. I know everybody's going to be like, you're crazy for videotaping, but I thought everybody else would like to enjoy this experience with me. I have my high beams on and I'm doing about 40 miles an hour, and that's about as fast as you can go because of how strong the wind's blowing. But the road gets snow covered like it is now, and then it'll get clear, and then pretty much just trying to follow the tracks. But you can see all the ice caked up on my front windshield, so it's hard to even see out the window. But I've only got 17 miles to go, and I need to get there and get this load picked up, and I'm going to park it for the night. So, but hope everybody enjoys it.